Okay, here comes one of the firefighting aircraft. He's going to come in here on the float pond at Fairbanks, land and scoop up water. He's got two 4-inch inlets in the front of the aircraft. When he touches down, it's going to take him 4 seconds once he goes to full throttle, and he'll have a full load of water on board the aircraft again. So here we go. These airplanes are made in Canada. You'll hear him go to full throttle here in just a second. He's going over here. Once he departs here, you may not see it, but right over there in the distance you can see what's left of the fire he's fighting.